Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Instagram. Sign in on mobile and desktop step by step clearly. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. If you are on mobile, open the App Store or Google Play Store to check if Instagram is installed. If Instagram is not installed, search for Instagram and install the official app by Meta. After installation, tap the Instagram app icon to open it. On the login screen, choose whether you want to sign in with username, email, or phone number. Tap the first field and type your username, email address, or phone number carefully. Tap the password field and type your Instagram password exactly as you created it. Check that caps lock is not accidentally turned on if your password looks wrong. Tap the login button to sign in to your account. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. Choose to receive a reset link by email, SMS, or through Facebook if it is connected. Open the message you receive and create a new password, then return to the app to log in. If Instagram asks for a security code, enter the code sent to your email or phone. If you see a Save Your Login Info prompt, choose Save if the device is personal, or Not Now if it is shared. Now, for desktop, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type Instagram.com and press Enter. On the Instagram homepage, click the username or phone/email field. Type your username, email, or phone number, then click the password field. Type your password carefully and click Login. If your browser offers to save the password, only accept if you trust the computer. If you use two-factor authentication, check your Authenticator app or SMS for the login code. Enter the code in the prompt to complete the sign-in process. If you cannot access your code, click Try another way to use backup options if available. If the page keeps refreshing, clear your browser cache or try an incognito/private window. If login fails, confirm you are using the correct account by checking the exact username spelling. If you suspect your account was hacked, use the password reset and follow Instagram's recovery steps. Once logged in, verify you are on the right profile by tapping or clicking your profile picture. For extra safety, go to Settings and enable two-factor authentication after you sign in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.